Hi gamers! Are you having trouble getting sound from your Xbox to your TV? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to fix Xbox audio issues and get you back to gaming with full sound. Let's dive in. To begin, verify audio output settings on Xbox. Incorrect audio settings may prevent sound from coming through your TV. Follow these steps to check your Xbox settings. Press the Xbox button on your controller. Go to Settings, General Volume, and Audio Output. Under Speaker Audio, ensure it's set to stereo uncompressed if you're using TV speakers. If you're using surround sound, select Bitstream Out and choose the correct format: Dolby Digital, DTS, etc. Make sure HDMI audio is set to on if connected via HDMI. By the way, restart and power cycle devices. A simple restart can often resolve audio issues. Turn off your Xbox completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Unplug your Xbox and TV for at least 30 seconds. Plug everything back in and power on the devices. Once we have set the correct audio configuration, we will proceed with an audio test. If you get lost, you can reset audio settings. Next, I will show you how to check the different output options available for our console. Also, we can check for system updates. Running outdated software can cause issues with sound output. Go to Settings, System Updates. Install any pending updates for your Xbox. Restart your console after updating to apply the changes. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps has helped you fix your Xbox audio issues, and you're back to enjoying your games with full sound.